ikey press button shortcut customized cool Gadget for Android device. Yeah, it's this one. This small and slim and very thin one. Yeah, it's this one. If you put this one inside your phone, it will make your phone life more easy to control. So let's check how it works. First, you have to put on the audio hot. You have audio hot, put on. And go to your click. As you can see, you have one click. Click on. As you can see, one click is for open Apple contact, and two click will be open your camera, and 3 times click will be message. So if you don't want those, you can delete it. For long press, it will be deleting. And you can setting you want, just press the plus and go to app. You can go to first, you can go to your app, check what you want to first. One click for camera. Yeah, done. 2 click. Go to choose your application. 2 click, you can go to contact. And 3 times click. You can choose WeChat maybe. Yeah, let's check. 1 click. 1 click will be camera. Yeah, as you can see, we're setting 1 click with camera, and check out 2 click will be contact. See here, contact, and 3 click. Yeah, it will be WeChat. Yeah, as you can see, it's really easy to control your phone with your click. So if you get this one, it will make your life more easy. And this ikey press button at these 3 shortcuts can be set. And for Android OS devices like smartphone or tablet PC as well, can use this one. It's easy and convenient to operate. And this is all today reviewing about. Hope you like it, and don't forget to leave some comment or suggestion below, and also don't forget to leave your subscribe. Bye.